Hey there YouTube, Franshopper here. Today is Thursday, September the 8th, and today actually happens to be my 19th birthday. And so what I did for today is I did something kind of little geeky on my computer since I was bored and really had nothing better to do. But what I did is I put together an application that would display a growl notification with the PS3 Trophy Awarded chime and display the text Trophy Awarded Happy Birthday. So in order to do this kind of little hack, whatever you want to call it, there's a couple of things you're going to need. You're first going to need a recording of the PS3 Trophy sound. If you Google around for it, you should be able to find it eventually. That's how I got my recording of it. You're going to need Growl, which is a system preference pane. It'll soon be an application for OS X, and what it is it's basically a system notifications application. And you're also going to need to have Automator installed on your system. And also QuickTime. So to start, let me show you what it looks like when it's actually run. So what I did is I created an Automator file, and I just called it Trophy Birthday, and I saved it as an application. So if I run it, once TweetDeck goes away there we go. Execute it. And so as you can both see and hear, well, hopefully over the rain, it does indeed display a notification that says, you know, Trophy Awarded Happy Birthday to the PS3 sound. It doesn't look like the notification because I have a different theme than that. But if you're interested in doing this for yourself, I'll show you how I did it in Automator. So first things first, open up Automator. Since I recently used it, I have it in a recently used application stack here in my dock. And if you're not familiar with Automator, it's a really very nice tool for OS X. There are a ton of really cool things that you can do with it, all sorts of little basically scripts without having to write any code at all. You can have it do things like change your wallpaper at a certain time. You can use it to make a alarm that you wake up to in the morning, which is one of the things I do. That's actually how I get up at Drexel, is I've used this to write a program that will automatically open a playlist file in iTunes. It's the Sky.fm Smooth Jazz channel, and that automatically runs a file. It's scheduled in iCal, and that just starts playing in iTunes. But anyway, so I'll go up here to my recent documents, since it's something I recently worked on. So it's opening it up right now. There we go. So in order to create this, you're going to need a couple of things. The first thing that I have it do is I have it perform the get specified finder items task, and in there I have it get the PS3 trophy sound, which I have saved as an MP3. I then have it open the specified finder items using QuickTime, and then after that what I did is I actually recorded some actions using the record button up here. So what this does is it'll open QuickTime. Once QuickTime is open, it will find the QuickTime window called PS3 Trophy Sound, and it'll bring it to the front. It'll then click on the volume max button. For whatever reason, Apple actually never programmed in the names of the buttons, and then it clicks the play button automatically. So once that happens, then it displays a growl notification, the Trophy Awarded one, with whatever text you want. In this case, it's Trophy Awarded Happy Birthday. And so then what I do is I have it pause for 3 seconds, because I have it set up to automatically quit QuickTime when it's done. but the reason you need a pause there is so that the sound can finish, playing before it quits, obviously. Otherwise, if you just have quit without the pause, it'll quit before it's even played the sound. So if you want, I will now show you what this looks like if you were to run it inside of Automator. So here we go. And of course this warning pops up because I have saved this as an application. This you can just say OK to. So QuickTime goes away and it's all done. As you may have noticed, the mouse automatically shot over to the QuickTime window. That's what the Watch Me Do is set up to do, is I recorded it moving my mouse over there and clicking the buttons. So yeah, it's really a simple thing actually to do. You just need to set up a couple of things. Since I tweaked this a number of times before I had it the way I liked, it took me about like 15 minutes. Now that I know what I'm doing and have it as I like it, this probably would take you like 5 minutes. It's just all drag and drop, really. To get all of these items, you can just search for them right up here from the library in Automator. So it's really an easy thing to do if you want to have a little bit of fun on your birthday, or really, whenever. So, yeah, that is about it. Just thought you might want to see that. That's it.